Hello again, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to creating page kits part 5. We have moved on to Europe. So this is going to be my grid layout. I did take some time to prep some of this because I had to fussy cut out all these circles and I had to scuff them because I hand cut, fussy cut, and let's be honest, can't do that straight. So I took this paper, which is from Scrapbook Supply, and this one right here. I don't think that's the same one. Let's see. It's the very thin paper. Is from Reminisce. So this is very thin, but it does say the underground all over it, and as you see in my photos, that's the underground. This is me walking up from the underground, which is, oh my god, really underground. And it just so happens that I had a blue shirt on, so it kind of worked with everything, but we went to Piccadilly Station. So I'm going to put those there. And I left them original sides 4x6, and then just kind of matted. We're going to angle that one that way, and we're going to angle this one this way, and use these, all of these guys, as our other part of the square, or the grid, right? Get these kind of popped in. There we go. Okay, so there's only 4 each. Alright, I did get this paper, which is how I got the circles, because I don't have very much. I have a ton of photos, but I didn't buy a lot. Well, actually, I was only in London for 32 hours, just so everyone is aware. We got stranded. We weren't supposed to be there at all. We were just supposed to stop and, catch a connection, but we got stranded there during this trip. Spent roughly about 10 hours in the airport before they kindly sent us on our way. And me and my boss were having dinner. We had been up for a very long time because we had flown in from Hamburg, Germany. It was like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock at night, and we were eating dinner. We didn't have a car because we weren't supposed to be there, and we were going to go to bed. My God, we were just exhausted. We were going to go back to our separate rooms and go to sleep, and my husband was like, "You guys are idiots." And we're like, "What?" He was like, "How many other times are you going to be in London on someone else's dime?" So we ended up taking the underground, going to Piccadilly, and doing like a 10-mile walk until about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. All right. So there's the first one. Now let's go to our next one. And here are the papers, all from the Scrapbook Supply. And these are at the hotel. He had pale ale and I had Hell's Lager, because I like lager. And there was our beer. We were drinking. All right, what are we doing? We're doing a vertical. All right. And now you'll see I have nothing nothing done, and about 30 minutes before football starts. Oh, that's cool. All right, so this backside is very, very messy with my eyes. Stripes. I am not measuring, I am just cutting these in patterns. That's that. That's why I keep all the scraps to the side. And well, I'm gonna grab some red cardstock. Not the right color. Not the right color. Come on, close enough. So, I'm gonna leave the white band around it. Which means we're not gonna have the proper photo mouths. That's okay. Alright. Well, I'm kind of cruising through these. Alright, don't pay attention to the dates on the back, because obviously I was going to use these in a different layout, and that didn't work out. And then I've just done a whole course trajectory change, because these you will see in November for Ginger Bush's All About the Base Hop. I'm just prepping now, okay? So we're just gonna trim that one, and then we're gonna trim this guy. And that guy. And then we're going to trim this one. So I just have full pieces. I don't want any halvesies. And we're almost done. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to use these guys first and come. And I don't know, I've been really in, like I get stuck on something and then I just go with that design, right? So it's my vertical wonk. You've seen this in the last one as well. Okay. And just a different take on it. Okay, well, there's our background. And then we're just going to do that. Nice big old cluster there. And then this is another one done. All right, another one done. All right, next up, Germany. We're gonna do horizontal. So for this one, all right. So for this one. This is Germany by Reminence. And yes, this one's the Brandenburg Gate. And I thought that I would do. So, okay. Okay. Take that off. So this is kind of about right there. So that we'll say 6. So I need this to be right there. And then okay. We're gonna pray here because I don't know how this is gonna work out for me. I'm filming, baby. My mic is hot. My mic is hot.
What?
My mic is live. Sorry, guys. He wasn't quite getting it. All right, we have that. What if... Let's trim that off. Now I need to see how big did I make it? Oh, I did not. So there's your 12. And then because of that very harsh seam, we got that. And this was just a very, very cool yeah, we're just gonna go with that, so I'm not even gonna worry about matting it. And that's just because it's, you know, horizontal. And let's go ahead and we're gonna run that photo off. And then this guy is just gonna really put him right there. It's a little awkward, but I'm trying to use the paper, right? All right, that is another one done. All right, so we got 3 done this time, and then we'll get the next 3 in the next part. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Bye.